Comes with a pretty decent instruction manual. This is the charging cable. 2 transmitters, 1 receiver to charge it. There's where you plug it in, right there, and then the other one would go in right there. Plug it in there, and then you stick it in the wall. And when you plug it in at first, there's a little tiny indicator light here. It'll be solid red, which means that it's charging, and once it's charged, it'll go off. I don't know if it was kind of fully charged when I got it, but I went ahead and I charged it, and it took half an hour. And then it also comes with these little clips so you can attach it to your lapel. And so you just slide it. You can see this. You just slide it right in there like that, and then it's ready to attach to your lapel. I have a Motorola phone. It's a Moto G Power 2021. The camera that this phone comes with does not work with this setup. So you need to download an app which is called Open Camera. So just type Open Camera and install that app. Here it is, Open Camera. By the way, I'm using my GoPro right now just so you'll be able to tell the difference between the sound of my GoPro and the sound of this new wireless mic that I got. Anyway, it didn't work at first. I tried to plug this in and it wasn't pairing at all. I figured out what it was. This is what you're gonna do once you open that new camera app. Go to settings and then go to video settings and then go to audio source. I had it on external mic at first, but that was not working. I was getting so frustrated. So I thought, okay, well, let's try default audio source. And that worked. So make sure that you have it set to default audio source, and then the mic will work. Now I'm going to use the real mic. To set this up, you just take the receiver and just put it right in there. You see a red light flashing here. And then you take one of the transmitters, just hit the power button. Let's see what happens. See? It's paired right away. So now I'm using the wireless mic. So you're gonna be able to tell the difference between what my GoPro was with the internal mic and now this wireless mic. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna just walk away from my phone. Apparently you can go up to 100 feet away. So I'm over here and hopefully it's still working just fine. I'm gonna come back and now I'm closer to it. So I'm gonna find out soon enough if this worked. I love this mic. I am so excited. You would not believe what I have been through. I had ordered other wireless mics in the past and I just kept thinking that they just weren't working at all. And it wasn't until I found that Open Camera app. I am so relieved that I figured out how to make it work. So if you've got a Motorola, just remember the Open Camera. I showed you how to set it up in the settings and it's gonna be a beautiful thing. So I give this 5 stars. I am so excited. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.